Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a chat app in Adalo. First, start a new Adalo app using a blank template. You will need two main database collections, one for your users and another for messages. The user collection should include properties like name and email. The messages collection needs properties for the message text, the sender, and the recipient. Crucially, link these two collections to establish a clear one-to-one or one-to-many relationship, ensuring messages are correctly associated with users. Next, let's design the chat interface. Create a new screen, perhaps named Chat Screen. On this screen, you will add a list component to display all the messages. It is vital to filter this list so it only shows messages relevant to the current conversation, for example, between two specific users. Below the message list, add an input field where users can type their messages. Finally, place a send button right beside the input field to trigger the message sending action. Now, let's connect the data and actions. Configure your message list to display only messages exchanged between the current user and their chosen chat partner. For the send button, set up an action to create a new record in your messages collection. This new record must include the current user as the sender, the selected user as the recipient, and the text from the input field as the message content. Remember to clear the input field after each message is sent for a smooth user experience. Finally, let's refine your chat app for a better user experience. Implement real-time updates so new messages appear instantly without refreshing. Consider adding user profiles or avatars to personalize conversations. It is crucial to thoroughly test your chat functionality with at least 2 different user accounts to ensure everything works as expected. For enhanced engagement, think about incorporating push notifications to alert users about new messages. Adding clear timestamps and read receipts can also significantly improve the overall chat experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.